How to leave a group on Viber. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can leave a group on Viber. So first of all, let's open our Viber app. And now if you want to leave a group, first of all, go to that group chat. And now let's say this is the group you want to leave. And now in order to leave the group, simply swipe to the left and then you'll be taken to a page like this. So in order to leave the group, simply scroll all the way down, and there on the bottom side of the screen you can see the option leave and delete. Since I am the admin, if I leave the group, this group will be deleted and all of this conversation will also be deleted. So it is showing delete and leave in my option, but in your case, if you are not the group admin, you will be shown the option of simply leave. So simply tap on the option leave. After that, tap on leave and delete again, and there you have it. You have successfully left the group on Viber. So that is basically how you leave any groups on Viber. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.